I am so bored. My life is the same every day. I wish something different would happen.
Careful, Zoya. Wishes are like fire. They look pretty, but they can burn.
Don't be a philosopher, Arian. It's just a coin.
What was that?
You found it. The coin of dreams. Tell me your wish, and I will make it real. Who are you? You look amazing. I wish I had your style. I wish I was the most beautiful girl in the city. Done. But remember, every wish has a price.
When we want something to be different, we say, I wish.
It's easy. Repeat after me. I wish I was rich. I wish it was Saturday. Everyone is looking at me. This is perfect.
Zoya, look at the people. They aren't smiling.
They are.
Frozen.
Arian, why did they stop? Talk to me. I don't want to be alone.
You wanted to be the most beautiful. Now, no one can look away. But they cannot live either. Beauty can kill the soul, Zoya. I didn't mean this. I wish they were normal again. You have used 2 wishes. Only 1 is left. If the 3rd wish is wrong, you will disappear.
Let's learn words for beauty. Elegant means fancy, stunning means very beautiful, and glow means bright light. Repeat with me. Elegant. Stunning. Glow.
Zoya.
My legs. I can't move. Use the last wish to save everyone. Don't worry about the gold.
But if I use the last wish, Maya said I might disappear. I am scared. I want to save you, but I want to stay too. Greed is a heavy bag, Zoya. Drop it, or it will pull you down. You can't have the beauty and the brother. I wish. I wish for all the money in the world. Then I can buy a cure. I can fix everything with gold. No! What have I done? The money is useless. Arian, please wake up. Today we learn about consequences. Greed means wanting too much. Useless means it has no help. We saw Zoya change. She used to be greedy, now she is wise. We use used to for past habits. What did you used to do that made you happy? My gold was useless. Repeat after me. Greed. Useless. Example. If I wish for money, I lose my brother. Maya, take it all back. I don't want the dress. I don't want the gold. I don't even want to be perfect. They are useless. I used to be greedy, but now I know what is real. I wish for my brother back. I wish for my simple life. I wish to be me. You finally understood. The best wish is the one you don't need to make. True style is happiness. Look, just like me, and that is enough.
You look stylish because you are happy, Zoya, not because of a coin.